what's up? It's game time, and we're going to open box 2 of 2018 Leaf Valiant. My first box, you can watch that video. Go ahead and watch that video. It only takes like a minute. It's pretty good. Wasn't so thrilled with my graded card, but the rest of the box was pretty good. So check that out if you want to. Otherwise, we're just going to see what we get here. There are 5 autographs total. 4 will just be in top loaders. 1 will be BGS graded 9.5 or higher. There are plenty of parallels in here. It's a good strong checklist. And yeah, that's it. Alright, let's see if I can pull these out. Cover up my graded card. Set these to the side and let's start looking. Alright, Brady Singer is the first. And I know from the other box, this is going to be numbered to 99. So there's hit number 1. Number 2 is a redemption. Jonathan Loasiga? Anyways, redemption. It looks to be, I guess, just the base green, I guess. It doesn't say. Well, yeah, it does. Base auto, so I think the base sets the green to 99, so there's that. Then we have Griffin Roberts. Orange. I didn't get any orange in the last box. Wait a second, I'm missing a card. Hang on, this is numbered out of 35, so I just set these to the side and I'm missing a card. Oh, here it is. It was hanging up in the box. Who is it? Oh, sweet! An Acuna orange to 35. Yes! Yes! Nice. I love that it's parallel too, on top of it being Acuna. Wow, that's exactly what I wanted. Awesomeness. Sweet. This is much better box. And we still got our graded card, which is who? Josh Brew. He has autographs in Bowman's Best. I don't know much about him, but it's the green to 99, another 9.5. Yeah, like I said, I don't know much about him. I'll have to learn more about him. I just know that he's got autographs in a couple of products now. So that's probably a good thing. But anyways, the star of this show is clearly this Acuna to 35. That is an awesome pull. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Alright, thanks for watching my 2018 Leaf Valiant break. Got some more Leaf stuff coming this month. Football. They got Leaf 2019 football. And then I think a Leaf Draft football is coming out, I think, this month. I've pre-ordered stuff. I'll have to check and see what I've got or don't have ordered. But anyways, alright, thanks for watching. Everybody, please like and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you think about Leaf Valiant. And I'll be back with my next break soon.